Hello there and welcome to GCSE Science Biology. We're looking at blood vessels here. So you can find pulses and arteries in your body if you were to just put your finger around your wrist and on the side of your neck as well, and you'll be able to find that pulse. So there are three different types of blood vessels in our bodies. Firstly, we have the artery, which carries blood away from your heart to the organs of your body. Then we have the veins, which carry blood away from the organs towards our heart. And finally, throughout our body, we have capillaries, which form a huge network of tiny vessels linking the arteries and the veins together. So have a read of these three different blood vessels and what they do in detail. And we'll go through these in much more detail in our next class and ask you random questions to see what your knowledge is like. But the blood vessels, this topic in itself goes very handy together, especially with the previous topic that we looked at, which was the blood. All right, good luck with these.